How's it going, everyone? I'm Nathan Foster, and as you can tell, this video is going to be a little bit different. If you're on a cell phone, you can just swipe left, right, up, and down. This video is completely virtual, 360 degrees. You can look whatever direction you want. If you're on the computer, there should be some arrows in the top left of the video. You can click on those to look whichever direction you would like to look. Let me know if you like this format. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. But keep in mind, this video is not a replacement for a qualified instructor.
We going full flaps? Yep. All right, here we go, full flaps.
The first thing I practiced was slow flight. In slow flight, you have to lower flaps and lower throttle. While in slow flight, you are only a little faster than your stall speed.
A little too slow there.
A little quicker to bump in the throttle.
Okay.
That'll help you hold your altitude a little better. There you go. Kind of picture it like landing. So power controls your altitude and pitch controls your airspeed.
Right.
There you go, looking good. Right at 50. Right at 3,400. Nice job.
Okay. It is way smoother here than it was last week.
Yeah, which is odd. I thought it'd be really bumpy up here.
Me too.
Now it's clear.
Although we are right above Big Field, which is pretty even ground.
That's true.
Speaking of which, I'm gonna have to clear right.
Okay, clear right.
Clearing right.
Woo! Wind loves those flaps. Get a level us off here at 35. Alright, next we'll do an emergency descent.
Okay.
And I want you to go to 2,500 feet.
500. Okay, so emergency descent is hard 45, let the nose drop. What am I doing with throttle? Obviously, I'm not pushing it in.
Yeah, it goes all the way out.
All the way out. Okay.
So area's clear. We need to get down on the ground, so we're going to lose a lot of altitude.
All right, so you said 25. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Do it.
Throttle, carpet, bank, let that nose kind of come down on its own. There's 45. And then you're catching top of the green arc. About 120 knots. Oh, yeah. Let that bank do most of the work. Yeah, there you go.
Covered a little too late.
Yeah, it's okay. So you caught top of the green arc. You just forgot to catch it about 150 feet above and then start. So you kind of sunk through it.
Yeah.
It's a nice day today.
Beautiful. Of course, I think I have to say that every day. I think I just like being in the air.
That's much better than driving, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, driving's nice, don't get me wrong, but...
All right, let's do one of those things we were talking about. So let's do some ground reference maneuvers.
All right. Got a barn over there.
Yes, take your time, pick a point, do the CHAPS checklist. Remember the hardest part's to set up.
Oh man, figuring out the wind is going to be the hard part. I'm going to clear left.
A ground reference maneuver is exactly what it sounds like. You're making a maneuver in the air using an object on the ground as your reference.
This is training for a photo op.
So there's no wind, so it's pretty much a 30-degree bank around the whole point. We'll just level off at 1,000.
All right.
And we'll find a point to do some S-turns. Yeah, not bad. Your first one was wide. The second one was much better. And then the third one, you kind of tightened it up. But
in this lesson, we did 2 practice landings. If you look at Dan, my instructor, he does not touch the controls until we get close to the ground. I'm still learning how to make the transition between the final approach and touching the ground.
this is looking good. All right. Keep pitching for 65.
Chesapeake traffic 20289, turning downwind runway 23, Chesapeake.
Looking real good, real small corrections in here.
Okay.
Wind's pretty much right down the runway. Alright, bring the power to idle. Oh, don't flare high. Don't flare way too high. Right about here, now you start flare. There you go.
Okay. So too high.
Flaps up, carpet in, and we'll do another one.
All right.
Carpet in.
Chesapeake traffic 74 uniform going around. Okay, everything's looking good. Speed's alive. Rotate.
As the approach looked really pretty, nice airspeed, glide path, powered idle, and then you just, we were about 15 feet off the ground, you started your transition.
Okay.
A little bit lower.
All right, so technically what we did wasn't a go around. What should I have said there?
Just taking off 2-3.
Okay.
Break up a little more to the right.
Right.
Just a touch of right crosswind. It's a little gusty.
Yeah.
This looks good.
Okay.
Go ahead and start taking the power out. Now keep coming down, Don't start your flare yet. Right about here. Oh, not too much. That's alright, fly that, let it fly.
Okay.
Now hold it right here.
Holding.
There you go.
Okay.
We gotta get that sight picture down.
Yeah.
I think you're really struggling figuring out where you want to start your transition.
Yeah, I am.
Time is too late.
Unicom 449er, Charlie Sierra, radio check.
Too late, too much.
449er,
First time it's too early, last time it's too late. So we'll get it down.
42212 departing runway 23, Chesapeake.
We haven't really perfected your landings yet, so.
No.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Since you're still here, I'm going to assume you did. So drop a like on the video, consider subscribing to follow me as I continue my training, and leave a comment about Bob Ross. Let's confuse everyone who didn't make it to the end of the video. Well, that's it for me. Love ya. Nathan out.